Niguo bururi wa Kenya uhote gukorwo ung'ithanire na king'uki gia Covid-19 wagirirwo ni gukorwo thecete njanjo andu milioni 30 kana gicunje kia 60 hari igana kia muingi guku bururi-ini. Na ita njira ya guteithiriria bururi wa Kenya gutheca Kenya ingi njanjo ta uria kwahoteka, bururi wa Poland ni uheyanite njanjo 210 muthemba wa AstraZeneca kiumia-ini giki. Bururi ni utanyite kwamukira njanjo ingi milioni 1 muthemba wa AstraZeneca. Kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, aikari ni mareyumiria na njira nene gukorwo makiamukira njanjo, na kuringana na Major General Mohamed Badi augite ni mongereire ceceni cia uthecani wa njanjo kuuma ceceni 39 nginyagia ceceni 155 niguo gutigirira aikari ni mahota guthecerwo njanjo ceceni iria iri hakuhi nao.
For your active role in the COVID-19 vaccination efforts, which I've just seen for myself, and as we were briefed, the hospital has vaccinated over 16,000 people, and this has definitely contributed to Nairobi's performance over other counties, with over 8% of its population now vaccinated.
Badi akwaragia hindi igongona ria kuruguria kiganda gia guthondeka riera ria oxygen thibitari-ini wa MP guku Nairobi, kuria mathibitari matiganite guku bururi-ini mathiite na mbere na gutigirira ni mehaririirie kung'ethanira na king'uki giki kia murimu wa Covid-19.
Further, and in response of the growing need, we have employed novel methods to procure and operate oxygen plants in Kenya. These include supply of pulse oximetry, investing in stable oxygen supply chains, manufacturing, and increasing institutional capacity.
We have done centralized piping system. This means that from the machine, the oxygen is piped to the wards, to the critical care areas, to the COVID wards, and to our theaters, to the entire hospital. So you do not need to have cylinders in order to supply your patients. But the oxygen comes from the plant ready. We call it a medical grade oxygen.
Kenya ni moritio guthii na mbere na kwinyitia muthiori ari guthingatithia mawatho maria magathikitwo ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri makiria aria matathecetwo njanjo ya kuororohia moruru niguo gwithema namba ya Kenya aria mari mathibitari-ini nundu wa Covid-19 kwambatira. Ria murimu wa Covid-19 urathie na mbere na kwiyenjera mirigo guku bururi-ini, noguo mathibitari maingi marabatara gukorwo mari na riera ria oxygen amu arwaru aingi mari na murimu uyu ni marabatara riera riu ita njira imwe ya gukorwo makihonokio mioyo yao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.